Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be a short video. As you can see, we have a snowstorm yesterday. I think we get a foot of snow today. Ayan guys, it's very windy outside. I'm cold. That foot's friend, that's my dog. Earlier he went outside and he do his thing like pee and to-do. So ayan guys, that's the update for my YouTube channel today. You can see so really thick of snow. Again, thank you guys for watching this short video, and don't forget to give us thumbs up and subscribe, and I see you on my next video guys. Bye.